Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on advanced addition and subtraction with integers. In this video we will present more involved examples for addition and subtraction with integers. At times we have two signs near each other, with no numbers appearing between them. In this case we apply the following rules. If two plus signs appear next to each other, we can replace that by a single plus sign. If two minus signs appear next to each other, we can replace that by a single plus sign. If we have a minus sign followed by a plus sign, we replace that by a single minus sign. And if we have a plus sign followed by a minus sign, we can replace that by a single minus sign. So in words, summarizing those, if we have two like signs, we have a plus. See, two like signs give us a plus. Two like signs give us a plus. Two unlike signs give a minus. There are two unlike signs, give us a minus. And two unlike signs give us a minus. Let's look at some straightforward examples. The first one, we can see we have two like signs, so that gives us a plus. So 7 plus 3 is 10. The next example, two like signs give us a plus. 9 plus 4 is 13. Two unlike signs give us a minus. 9 minus 7 is 2. And two unlike signs give us a minus. 6 minus 2 is 4. So let's look at some more examples on the next slide. Sometimes we will not see brackets or parentheses. The same rules apply. If we have two signs that are like, that gives us a plus. 6 plus 4 is 10. Two signs that are like, that gives us a plus. 7 plus 5 is 12. Two signs are unlike, that gives us a minus. 13 minus 6 is 7. And two signs are unlike, that gives us a minus. 15 minus 4 is 11. So here we just have some extra numbers involved, but the same principles apply. Two signs are like, that gives us plus. Two signs are unlike, that gives us minus. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 minus 7 is 17. Two unlike signs give us a minus. Two unlike signs give us a minus. And two like signs give us a plus. So 27 minus 3 is 24. 24 minus 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. And for the last one, two like signs give us plus, that plus there. Two like signs give us a plus. Two like signs give us a plus. Two unlike signs give us a minus. And two unlike signs give us a minus. So when we go through carefully and we simplify all that, we get 44 as the answer. So this video has presented some interesting examples to do with addition and subtraction with numbers. And when we have the two signs next to each other, we've seen what happens. If the two signs are like, they are replaced by a plus sign. And if the two signs are unlike, they are replaced by a minus sign.